Hey. Yeah. See this. I hate blood. I don't get my size. I got the size of Indian housewife. I'm a person who do all type of job. Sweeping, cleaning, cooking, washing dishes, and I love to do everything, especially in the kitchen. Never ever think that cooking, washing dishes, don't ever think that it is a job, it is a work for your wife. Washing dishes, cleaning, washing dishes, cleaning the floor, washing clothes, cooking is a job for everyone, not only for ladies. Okay, this is my point of view, this is my POV. I am going to cook chili chicken. First time, first try. So chalo, let's remove the chicken from the fridge and start cutting it into pieces and marinate it. Chalo. Chicken kahan pe tha? Here. I'll use my leg to close the fridge. Chili chicken, Naga style. I don't know how it's going to work out. So let's get started, my friends. Join with me till the end of my video and request you to kindly drop a comment how to cook chili chicken to get it better taste. Chalo dosto, I'm cutting the chicken, slice it and give a try. Add ginger garlic paste. For the quantity of this chicken, I think this much is good enough. And I hate this smell though. I really hate the smell of this ready-made ginger garlic paste. I can't breathe. That's good enough. I think that's good enough. I'm scared. So that I can fry it after some time. That may be the chef for today. I have 3 different colors of capsicum. The green, the red and the yellow. Sorry. Dip this. Spring onion, a bit. My wife is frying a puri. I don't know, but I don't want to eat this puri. You and your boy can eat this. Oh, but then, oh, it's swelling up like this. First, okay, let me. This one, I have marinated it for about 30 minutes. I think everything is okay. Giving a try, my first attempt to cook chili chicken. And you see the onion, I slice it in this size like this, peel it like this. Capsicum, yellow, green and red. Okay, and of course I've cut some chili. This is my first attempt to it will be a Naga chili chicken. See here, my friends. Oil. Oh, that's good enough. And spring onion. I've got carrots. Slice into pieces, and of course capsicum in 3 different colors, onion peel in different. Oh wow, chili. Let's see what happens. My first try. Let's add all the ingredients. Come on, chalo yaar. Can't wait. Add this. Hey, chili chicken is under process. Request all my viewers to kindly drop a comment how to cook chili chicken. I would love to learn from all of you guys. Thank you so much. Soya sauce. I have mixed it with water, and I don't want the soya sauce to be more. I don't want that bitterness, so I don't know how much I've added. So let's try. Oh my gosh. Keep stirring this. Low flame. Okay. What's going to happen to my chili chicken? I don't know. The corn flour which I have stir it and mix with a little bit of water. Let me add this. My chili chicken is ready to eat. Yeah. See this? Wow. So let me serve this and taste. Here. Yeah. See this? Perfect. Wow.